Hey guys, it's Steve at the Coal Shop. I'm out with a troubleshooting call tonight, trying to get this customer back up and running. This is a Keystoker A-120, and they called and said it wasn't working or wasn't pushing any coal. So I got here, I took the gear motor off. I had to fight with it a little bit, but I pulled this pusher bar out. I don't think this has ever been out. So this is the bar that goes back and forth with the gear motor and pushes the coal into the furnace. I got it freed up. The gear motor's usually here. I pulled that apart. This came out. You're going to want to every year check this and make sure everything's clean. Sand it down real good and then sand down the channel inside where it slides. If you grab that bar with your hand, that should go in and out of the stove free like that. It shouldn't be. When I got here, you couldn't even move it. So you want to make sure that's free movement back and forth, not side to side play. That's what the nylon screws are for. But you want to make sure that slides in and out all the way smoothly. Second thing, I figured this was going to be a problem. This is a combustion blower that blows air under your grates. You want to take this blower off. There's one screw that holds that on with the Keystokers. Take that off every year. The screw's already off. Take that off, get the blower out of the way. And that entire channel is where the air blows under your grates. And that is full, which means you're cutting airflow to the grate under the grates for combustion air, which means you're not going to get the full heat potential out of your stove. And that is completely full, so there's almost no air getting through the grates. I'm not sure when this was cleaned before, if it ever has been. We've never cleaned it, but it's probably, I don't know, the unit's probably 10, 15 years old. So just some quick things to look at before you get going for the year. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help you. Steve at the Coal Shop, 585-367-3246. Have a good night.